Give her hell.
I thought I was swamping her.
Get a good run at her.
I just don't want to go in my same ruts last time because I got to hit high center.
Back up further.
Oh, if you give her, you'll go zero mine. Power that machine has. Nope. Fuck. Give her shit in reverse. Oh fuck no. Yeah, fuck you're right. Fuck sakes.